Babe, sit here. Hold it this way. It's hot.
You don't put whole of sugar in it?
No, I do it same as how you want it.
Alright.
Babe, you know someone want money for borrow?
Where you want money I know for do?
That's something important me do want it for do.
Me no know what more important than fixing up your house, you know. Call up on your house want fixing up candy.
I just want, give me 130 or 160 grand. You can't lend me that. I mean, know you have, you can't lend me.
I hope on a gambling you're going back to, you know.
Me not gamble. Me not gamble with it. Actually, me never remember if you tell her, say, one of my friend did ask me to borrow one loan for her in a family name. And she not pay back. And then come to me, someone want if you pay them back.
Well, obviously, I don't know about that loan thing, if I tell you the truth. I don't know about that loan thing. Right now, my main focus is to fix up your house and try to get you back to the place that it was before. You realize, say, we're not in a good situation right now. So, I don't have no money. I have to try to figure out that, because borrowing money and then sitting there is never a good thing. So, I don't know about that something. Sorry, babes. I have to figure out it. Thank you for your little tea, though.
You don't want no more?
No, I don't want no more.
Alright.
Alright, say anything later, alright? Yeah, I'm going to go up on your work later.
Amanda!
Oi!
What they say they want to talk to you about something? You know, so me no want serious problem. I would like if you help me.
What kind of problem now?
You know, so I want phone call me get from my grandmother. She never really explain and tell me the problem. But me know say anytime them call me, something wrong and me have to carry money up because she need money. So me wouldn't mind you lend me 60 grand right now.
60,000 just to visit a grandmother?
Me no know what happen. Maybe they don't want to surprise me on the phone and tell me what, because they don't want me feel one way, you know. So just lend me, man, me and your friend. Just lend me 60 grand and you don't have to worry yourself about it, because me can give you back 30 on him. I'll give you 90. You agree?
That sound good enough. Me just got union go collect as in $60,000 upon it. That, you know. If you can't go hardware, go fix up my place, you know.
So yeah, try say, you can't lend me. Are you me a depend on?
Well, I could have in that position, yeah. So me I go lend you, but you have to carry back home, give me.
Give you back me and your friend, girl.
Alright, wait there. Me I come. Candy, me I beg you do, make me get it back. As you reach back from down your grandmother.
Me go give you back.
Alright.
Thanks. Thank you. I don't know what I do without you. You're a good friend. And you know me, I go give you it back.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright then, hurry up and go on, man. Go check for her, make sure so she alright.
That me I go do.
Yeah, man.
Alright, later, you hear?
Alright then.
Yeah, come in. Yeah, we don't take cash patch up, so me I go.
Same place me I go. A cash what me say no boy.
Oh, the more I go in the car, me get.
Alright.
I want buy two. I want two bills. I want buy two numbers. Still.
You talk about that? Me get a dream. The dream plain and straight. That the number they have to play today.
So can you go catch him before you
And me can't call out the number right, so you know me have to basically me go for a cash back. Enough time when I chat out the number, you know, it come like you know about that plays it. Come on.
Alright. Chop chop! Chop chop! That's crazy. I wonder why man on there now.
Which number you are buy?
More young girl.
Backside, you know, say a tie sheen in did play. This a man here go and good man, him play good you know? You know see?
Bumba.
Yo, I get a dream. My girl,
Yes.
yo, me need 25. 30,000 by 30,000.
Boom, I say how behave.
What you mean? You have to buy big if you want to win big.
Where not going normal? I want little 2 bills me have.
Alright.
Yes.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Collect.
Yeah. No fear. No, do that.
Alright.
Yeah, my girl. 30,000 by 30,000. Me I buy a big pan. That the number they me dream for. Alright, thanks.
Alright, for me money no so tall. Just give me 16 for 100 by 100 there. Candy. Why Candy? I can't believe you put so much money on the 25 and the man go play 26. Yo, the man the wicked, you know, man. Tell it to box.
You hear me, my youth? Don't even bother talk about it. Cause right now, you're gonna make me feel more depressed. I can't take this attention away in my head right now. Made that hurt me.
Candy, a simple something
Yo,
that, man.
my youth, the dream when me get is straight. Me know said that the number there. I play today. Yeah. Yo, my youth, me just buy the wrong time star.
Yo, stop worrying yourself about that, man. But anyways, you know me out there. I go up and babe, man, I go borrow one money out there, like a saving pan. Cause you have money up there, you know, and you ever hide it from me. But I go up there so I come back. Nobody stress out yourself, man. A little bit of money that, man.
Alright.
I say go, man. I say go. You hear that?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself. I say go.
Amanda, what happened?
Nothing. You come back from your grandmother fasting. She alright?
She alright. I just give them the money because I know say money they need want to do something. And I tell everybody ask them what they want to do. But, you know, say me give them all the money where you lend me. And I don't have no more now. And me have something to go start out. You can't lend me 30,000?
Me and your friend. And me have money in the bank. But me can't lend my next money. Because me have money and a friend.
Amanda, I just 30 grand me I borrow from you, you know? Me will give you more interest even for the 90,000 me already owe you.
No, Candy. We can't help you out. 60, and then you come in and see them there again for 30.
But me must say something.
We don't have it.
I something me go do with you, know, me left you give me granny. Just under the 30 grand if you go do something, man, and it's important. You can't just lend me, please.
No, later. Me don't have it for true. Me don't have it there way there.
Alright. You look so happy, how?
Yo, don't tell me say no buy back your number.
Me no buy back my youth.
God no?
God know me no buy
Candy,
back. I want
a man just play back 25 and he mega hit right now. Me catch it for 200. Right
You
now.
catch it?
Candy, you say if I did me put all like 60 grand upon that, this a number here, me beard in the money right now. Me I tell you.
Man.
God.
Yo,
Yo, come.
you know, sir. Me been right now. Let me tell you
Let me
something.
just buy you one beer.
No, yo, right now me no want no beer because me go to a girl, you know, one of my friend named Amanda. She go borrow 30 grand again from her, you know. And she no lend me. I mean, no saying you she did lend me that half to win cause anytime me dream see any number, that the number they have to play. And she no lend me. Yo, I change know me feel star.
What a wicked girl. No, sir. But anyways, I go buy me pick them some food and now nice. Hey, look at Candy,
Alright.
Yo, I'm telling you, you're foolish, you know. Not even one, mama. You couldn't give me one a winning one. You can give me that one when a winnable. So I give me one a winnable one, them, you know. Peas them. General, let me see, some people are trickster them, you know, man.
Yo, where the pants?
Where you going?
Me there, man, me there.
You
And where man under?
You know, say a 5 man under.
I lie. And what is that do?
I new scratch off game, man. The new scratch off.
I lie. So what you call this a game now?
I new scratch off game, man. Right now, I'm not deal with cash pot again.
I lie.
Scratch off a thing there. Because you can win money fast. So me there, I scratch. And I'll know me no win nothing still, but me I go scratch again.
So me never know about this a game, yeah.
See them, man, the new man, it just come out.
See you win?
Me no win nothing yet. But them, Mama, you couldn't give me 2 wives in one them.
My youth, you know, say you know win. I exact money me carry to buy this. Me have to go try that game there too.
Me can't believe you. So that you really are taking pitney them money they do?
Janice, easy no Janice.
Don't tell me stuff you know easy. And that you really are taking pitney them money I do?
Relax.
What kind of relax? Don't tell me stuff you know relax.
Babes,
And that
watch
you
out.
really are taking pitney them money I do?
Listen. Me
You
now.
buy cash pot.
It's cash pot, I don't cash pot. I scratch off.
That's cash
I scratch off.
scratch off.
It's better than cash pot. I can win. Let me 1,000. Let me buy
Scratch
2
can't
more.
hear what you say. Yeah, shut up. You're sound stupid.
Babe, stop it. Stop.
You're going to scratch until you scratch in a jail because me I make sure I say me bring a girl court.
So
Don't sell him no more cash pot miss. Because he not even take care of you them. That's
Relax, man. So she go on, man. Don't mind she. A doctor then tell me say she retarded, so I can't even do her.
Yo, my youth, it don't look good. You have to take care of you them. The youth them my future.
Yo, not me youth then good. Don't follow she. Just let me 500 and me buy one more. I make me youth then good.
Yo, me not lend you no money. And come out of my way. Come out of my way and go along your yard go take care of your pitney them. Yo, I want to play today.
35.
35. Wait there. I think me did buy 30. But the man inch me again. Me buy 34 and the man play me 35. Yo. Shit, hey, me can't hold the money in man and style me, you know. Alright, here I know. More you print the number here for me. More 35, 36, 3 and 14, 80 by 70 for 2 draw. You hear what me I say?
Yeah, man.
35, 36, 3 and 14 for 2 draw, 80 by 70.
Morning, uncle.
Morning. Where are they now?
You know, say my mother send me come to help take care of me.
Help you out to there? Do what?
She said things hard for her now. And she want to go to go work, but she don't want to leave me one in her yard.
So, more babysit you?
No, you know, say me not expect you to babysit me, but true no space now up there where me can hold. And me that want to stay here till me can go get a little work and say me can send myself go hard.
Me understand you. I never get no help in my time, you know. Cause everybody, when me ask them for help, them say the same thing to me. They never get no help. So you know what me go do? Me go ensure say me help you. So in the long run, if somebody say they want help them because you ain't get help, right? Alright. The house there, you can take one of the back room them. 2 back room there and a 3 bedroom. So you just take your back room for yourself. But here what? You have rule and regulation here, you know. Because I'm a principal man. Old school. Right? So what you see here, when I give in to you, you make it turn. Right? What me say?
But me see her and I give it to me if you make it 10. But if me see something where me want, me not fi take it all light. If you left some, because it's where we there.
You see nowadays, Pitney, you see where a while ago, me tell you one story, you know. And me say repeat, you know, and you pass in your place. Me say what you see here, not touch it. If you like it, you go somewhere and buy it.
Me I give you a place to stay. One food provided, you get anything you want, you ask for. If you go in there and you see something not touchy, not if you like it, you ask me first. I will decide if I can get it yes or no, right? Because I can have things in the way for me and you go near me. You understand? Because I know where you come from and near me, then call you, know. Near me. I know you can't get fat. All right. Take your time, go on in. I finish what's have a carrier. Go wait. Only one thing is your titty them what I do, me and my niece, and I don't want to see titty them. You hear me?
Because we just wait, like I'm nice to me.
I know so I say you're willing.
Yes, uncle and me, you know, I go and do a little cleaning, because one thing with me, you know, I don't like nastiness, and anywhere I go, I always clean.
You're not going to left on here, you know. You go Cantania. You can't cook too.
I don't say a place nasty still, you know, but I say I want to wipe out and I wipe it out. Because I'm willing, anything I want, I work towards it. I want to steer, I want to show you, so I really want to stay here.
Well, if that attitude I go through in a life, cleanse a part of godliness. Because I get up and I watch the vehicle, I never get time to come in at the audit. You know what I mean? Good job. Continue to do it, man. When you're done, if you see no plate, I think you wash up it too. When I'm done, I can cook some food, I get some food. Because I don't trust no young people to cook some of the time, you know. But as we go along, I see if I can cook. You good though?
Yeah, man, I go, I just go and tidy up until I come in.
Yeah, man. So, anyway, when I'm done, I cook some food. Wash a plate and things, you know, so when I'm done cook some food, I finish. Blazing. So after that now, we can talk. Yeah, man, so go and do it, though. I'll finish drive a car here.
Babes.
Yeah. May I come?
You don't see my belt? You don't see my belt?
Yeah, you better on the dresser.
You don't see me never see it?
Oh, you finna see that with you. You not look. You want to make you not look. See belt right here, so. See the right in your eye and you not look feet. Everything you call me, boom, come look and want to see.
Alright. I just try to see if I can hurry up and get ready to cut down work. What are you doing today?
You know, so I'm not going to do nothing. I just stay home and chill out.
Alright. Do you have to do? I just go and get ready.
Alright.
Alright, babes. If anything later here.
See, you not even fix your color. Alright, later.
Alright, yep, man, later. Alright.
Mama, I want to play.
25.
25.
Yes. You buy?
Me sitting no man, as me, yo, you know much time me I buy the 25 and the one little time I go buy 26.
I lie.
The man play 25.
Me
That man then easy, you know?
Me no buy none. Cause every time I buy one number, he inch me with the next number. So when me buy ya, this. Me no buy every minute man a inch
So that
me.
you're gone in that you know.
Oh you mean? Me have to win something. Me have a strong feeling say me have to win today ya.
Give me two of them.
You two of my you me not even scratch your face. Me have a strong feeling say something big in this see me.
So I can't
Yo,
give
look
you
at me, me
5
can't talk to you. Me have to go. You know what?
Let me 5 is now.
No man, me not no 5 is. I want to hear my youth.
Me have a winning scratcher now. Just let me
No,
5
you what me I
please.
say. Every time you see me, you beg me 5 bills. You see when me win, me will give you 2 grand. Don't worry yourself.
I just buy 2 now. You get it back
Me
when
go
me
scratch
win.
off you
Me
when
go
me
win
win.
this time. Me know say this time me I go win. Just let me 5 is man. You'll get it back.
Me not no money. You know how much money me just pay for this? Yo, little more me give you 2 grand. After win later.
Babes,
Huh?
how we get money from buy scratch off?
But don't worry about that, man. Don't worry about that. So why you come on back so quick for?
You know say I boss money when me left and me just forward back for it.
Boss money?
Yeah. Candy, how this some money you look like you short? No man. No Candy, no! No tell me say money you take and go buy scratch off Candy. Me can't believe this. God know me can't believe it.
You know, so me can win more than what me take out there. And we can have money and then you give back your boss.
Candy, me no want to hear about that. What if you lose? When me get money if you pay back the people them their money? You know, say I trust them on losing on me. If it's a boy they give me their money to keep. And me use up money out of it. Yo, Candy, I 2 weeks pay this, you know? When me have, yo, you know what? You either come out there and scratch off there, figure out, you know, figure out, you know, figure out it. Me have to just go and hold off and I'll give them the money today, but try figure out it.
Good evening, mommy.
Good evening. You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Me back. I'm gonna put it down for you. Don't worry yourself, here.
Yes, son.
You know, say me love you already. You hungry?
Yeah, me did something in the morning, but I'm hungry right now.
You know, say me not have no money, but you can go over Navlet shop and tell him, say, me say, give you what you want. Anything you want, just take your Navlet shop, me will pay for it.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Can't bother, you know. Can't believe say me no win. Watch out.
Moment.
What?
Where you did go?
You know, say somebody me dey go check on the road.
You know, say me snap it locked door and I pass on that shop down your road, but I don't know if me did for trust for them, because sure me snap letter they say. Oh, me have money in my bag too. Just remember. You ain't see no money in my bag.
What me I do in your bag?
Grandma did give me money to buy something.
Your grandmother give you money?
Yeah,
So what you do with it? Which taxi you take come down here?
a Paul carry me.
So nobody in the side of you in the car? You sure say not this somebody will sit down side of you pick you? Or you go drop from you in the taxi and then take you up?
That me I wonder. Because I not see money.
You sure say you bring money come down here?
Yeah, grandma give me.
You sure say your grandmother give you money?
Yeah,
So what you
grandma
could
give
have
me
did?
money.
I which taxi you take come down
A
here?
Paul taxi.
So nobody never sit down side of you in a taxi?
Nobody need take nothing from me.
You see the same shop where you say you go and it did open, but you're not sure if me take nothing from them? Go and go tell them say me say fi give you, because me trust from them too. Then we give you man. Just tell her say I'm me send you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, go on.
Boy, mommy. You know, so I can't believe though. I think you did tap the something there. Because last night I talked to daddy and mommy. And I tell her, tell me, say, you nah come back, none at all. You nah stop gamble. You nah have the intention to stop. He must say all of this, make we lose everything. And make we have to live in this whole house now, this one room. See how grandma tell me, say, I can't go stay up there again. Because our cousin Jeremy and get deep from foreign. So I will come back for your room. Boy, mommy, I have to go stop all of this. God no, you have to go stop it for your life get better.
Wayne, you know say not this a life I did choose. I just one little ticket me buy. And from one ticket to another ticket. And then eventually just fall in it. You understand? Me sorry about it. And me go try to stop. The sufferation when me put all of it through. Me, you and your father. Me sorry, me never mean to do it. Now them are running out of your house. Although I want piece of all houses, they can come stay with me because them say them dip your cousin, right?
Yeah.
And them a go come back now. Me sorry about it. Me go try and stop. And be a better example in your life. You hear?
Yes, son.
So me just ask if you can forgive me. Me go try and stop. Because this no look good. We are suffer for you. Now your father gone and me alone down here, so you come down for me in the house. Me don't know what me I go do. It look like me have to go look a job.
Uncle, can you give me a piece of money, please? Me hungry.
Piece of money.
Yeah. Just want to buy something to eat, because I'm hungry, man. But you can't have some, uncle.
No, it's a piece of money. You want which piece that you want? So you tell me it's a piece of money. Oh, that sound like that makes sense? You want my money to buy something to
Yeah.
eat? Don't not play it. If you talk, you know not talk. Go buy something for yourself to eat.
Yeah.
And buy one tin mackerel for your post.
Alright.
Because I'm not going to post food.
Sir! say I feel cat. See cat can live life. So nice fried up. Morning, miss.
Good morning.
You know, so me new in our area, and me I look for a gambling shop or cash bar shop where we can buy.
Just go right in at the lane there, sir.
Yeah.
And just turn on your right hand side.
Alright.
As you go there, so you see the cash box shop.
Alright.
Alright, yeah man.
Thank you.
You're welcome dear.
Me get you, you know.
You get you?
Yeah.
So what number you buy?
5.
You really only hope it play for you.
I'm me buy in a tea, you know.
You make it too?
Yeah.
Don't mean to say if you win man, you're gonna get a nice piece of money.
Alright.
Alright.
The reception, me nah hear the reception so good enough. Me nah hear so good. But me I say, the more me lend you, why there? I say borrow money, I say I can't back, you can't give me, you know. I go to night trip and now you. Right? So me I say, yo, where the money we lend it there? You come on, me yard come borrow money and you tell me say I remember now.
No, me no remember. Me did borrow money for you. How much money you did give me? You did give me money?
You tell me say, them have to go move you from somewhere because something wrong with this and whatever wrong with us, say I want 30,000 borrow. I'm lending 30,000, I'm not about dollar outside. And that they say 1 month time and that 2 months pass and now. Because I say, I nah call you know. But me say get from bad to worse, I say I show out, where money there?
For you know, so me never remember saying I borrow money from you because too much thing left on me head and so me did forget say you did lend me. But as soon as me get it, me I go
Hello, I know what they on your head, you know. Gambling they on your head. Me see a man in the street and he might tell me, I'm gambling they on your head. Girl, me tell you load the gambling now. You are stacky? You are stacky? Me and your family, me and your friend, and not true, me and your family, and me no want your friend me up with my money, you know. I lend you money, when me attack, I have my money, you know, so me attack you, love me talk, you know. Because you know, I get mad there, you know. Me no friend, because you want a friend up, hey, see money me lend you, I need it back, alright? Yeah, go on like you know, me need my money, my 30,000 is not a thing for rampant, you know. You think a joke is there? I could have never be like you, you know. I could have never be like you, you know. I'm not a careless one, you know. You look like you're the careless one in my family. How you name carelessness?
I just don't know that give you, but me just use the money and go buy.
How you fit give me it when you give the gambling man them it? Or you go give me back? If every money you make, you give it.
You know, so when me go buy the scratch and sit there and
A ball, me see a man a ball what there, you know. Kind of know what to do with you, you know. Ball, if man a ball on the roadside. But you coulda and you shoulda. That no make no sense because you've been doing the same thing over and over and getting the same result. I haven't seen you achieve anything out of it. You now put it down. You're going to win one day. Hello, me and your family, there's no way that I put my mouth on you. You're bright and faithful and impertinent. Don't play with me now. I would never put my mouth on you. Don't bright yourself with me. Hello, this is not a family soup, you know. Me know why you ramp with me that we're not talking, you know, because when the young people have so much talking, you know, tell you something. Low it out. Put it down. Put it down before you put it down. All right. We just want to see you come right and early and count out me 30,000 when me get it back, all right? And put back in the account when me take it from. I have a dirty thinking liar already for one case long time, you know, me have him for retirement, you know, me have him for I don't know the word, but me, alright, dirty. Alright, Miss Dirty. Alright. And this look at something coming out in?
Yeah, like he come short, man.
Huh?
Yeah, he come short. See there.
No, man, 1.5 force me to say that, man. No play with me, man. Yo, can I go back over there? Bye-bye.
You don't want to go over there for, and if a factory fault, they can't do that.
Listen now, we okay about going to the factory, but can I go back with the back?
You don't go over there.
Come on, there you go over the shop, then we'll buy from then.
You don't want to go over there.
Tell me the truth and not play me now. Me no run joke, you know.
Me take some for myself, man.
Me no give you money for buy something for yourself and buy that for your puss.
Well, you know, say, me go over shop, and me order tin mackerel. But they never had nothing what me want. So I say, alright, me I go to front road. When I go to front road now, and me order everything what me want. I want to check my pocket for pay woman. The money last. So me I walk and look on the road, and me I walk and look on the road. Me can't find the money. I say, what an embarrassment. Because I say, me order everything, you know.
But anyway, come here, go look for it. Because
no, yes, the sun hot.
Listen up, I'm ready now, come on.
Now I'm going to tell us the sun hot.
Alright, either you come and try to find back your money with your last, or you pack your things and go. You have a choice, just me no plan talking.
But somebody passed.
Not tell me about butt, front, back, head top or anything. Me say, come on, let's go. Right, so when I say go, you go. You laugh like you think I'm ramp with my money. Come, right. Don't play with me. What you say now?
Buy mackerel over there.
Alright, and you walk out of the shop?
Yeah.
And you walk, where you walk go now? Look down on the ground now, man. Look. Where you walk? Miss Cheryl.
Yes, wait. My girl, you know, say a 6 player. I look how much money you put on the 5 and a 6 demand player, you know. Girl, one of my friends just pass here so and just tell me, say, that the player.
What kind of game?
Cash pot.
So that's it, cash pot, you play.
Me just buy one look piece of cash pot out of shop.
No, but you say you're hungry.
Yeah. But me get a dream.
You buy cash pot?
No, I'm not play them game there. I'm name Money King. Me and money are best friend. You see money, try to keep it close to me. That's how you lose your money. When me I said
I should just go and spend $800 for number 5 and a 6 player.
And money me give her for buy food. Because money buy food. And money me give her for buy food and she use it. Yo, me not say a word to you, you know. Me go call your mother, you know. I have to come back for your father. And one and a half go, you have to stay one of them, you know. You can't take my...
Me never know, sir.
Yeah, me look at niece.
Me never know.
Yeah, but you're alright though.
Yes.
And he have me a walk up and down my son, knowing.
So go look for?
No, she tell me say money last.
So it may ask if I
I me look up on the road and now. Me go for ask if I rake, you know, see no 500 and 100 a rake crown.
So girl, why you never talk the truth?
You know, there's someone that want me help her, you know, but we can't help her, she gone.
No.
Don't you know?
Girl, me never know because me never know say give you the money if you go buy something for it or you go gamble it. Me never know. I'm sorry.
get me? Yeah, come pack your things and go.
Uncle,
Yeah.
I'm sorry. You know, we young and we all make mistakes. And when me live with my mother, when me a grow up and then get a dream, then go buy a number and then win. And me get a dream last night, so me decide say me go buy the number. So I just say go. We all make mistakes.
Hear me I say, I want you to learn, listen to how you learn good. You know this, in the game, most game when you come to Jamaica, we lose. So other Jamaican you have to understand, say, one way to win is just put your shoulder to the wheel and make solid investment. If I never invest my money, I wouldn't have none, you know. Why think I call me Money King? Because of what I did with money. I have a little money. I start my business off with 1,000 Jamaican dollar. And me and my cousin that time my cousin have more money more than me, you know. For your auntie. Candy, that one that they have more money more than me. In the dead one tap man too, but there are beer money they have. If the man fall down on his face because of candy and gambling, you know, you're not learn. Look where I'm going with candy. And I said, you can't live here, and I shouldn't see her yet. You have an auntie here. When them candy so meet her.
Okay.
Gambling beat her. So that me I try to tell her, say, yo, you see me? So me start my business, my $1,000. Me start my $1,000 business. No, push on us up. Yeah. But me I say, when me start my $1,000 business, people she laugh at me. So what you doing that day? And me start with $1,000 and look what me about it now. There can be no winning if 99% of my people are losing and only 1% winning. That's why Donkey said we were on a level. Because of them, yeah. Where I'm going is the work of the devil. 99% lose. So there's no winning. You take yourself, go on around, so can you say you think you'll win and see they lose. No, you're in at the 99 will lose. You're in at the percent of 99 losers. 1% win. So listen me, as long as you're on a roof here, know what you do. What me say?
As long as I'm under the roof,
That's strike 1. You know, strike 3.
Mm-hmm.
You have to leave for yourself.
Yeah.
Right? Alright. Apology accepted. I'll cook some food. When I'm done cooking, get some.
Mm-hmm.
Alright?
Yeah.
Come out of the kitchen now. Come in live, people watch when me I cook. So go on, so by the time I start, I'll do some cooking. Take your time, go on, so. I like to watch when me I cook.
Evelyn cuz.
Oh, go on.
There man.
Up here, Palmer. So you know, I say you get big.
Yeah.
So you're dealing.
There go on easy.
You out of school now?
No sir, my last year now.
The last year of school now?
Yeah.
So you done school, where you go do?
I say I'm artist man turn though.
Art's a job.
No, you wanna sing, me have a name and everything.
Oh, music. You have a name already?
Yeah man.
So your name now?
Puppy Dan.
Puppy Dan. Let me see a big night then, man. So you have tune and out the road already?
Yeah, me have a couple of them out there.
Alright. So me hear a tune then now?
Up on phone or RC.
No, sing it, man.
Which one we can get now? Alright. I just get a life, I just get a life. You have to strong out there to survive. People out there go say you're not gonna make it, but don't give them none of your time. I just get a life.
Get a life.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a good song. The youth them can't hear that because when we hear most of the time I be a chop and kill you know. So if that they come with, I think it's a good move.
True.
I have some money put on some place, you know. So when I hear them, if you bring click in, I carry a studio and produce when I sang them. I don't know much about producing, but I know say I think you can carry a studio and spend the money on the work. You know what I mean? I don't know them do it.
$4 man.
$4,000.
Yeah.
Not worry yourself, man. I'm going to look into it and carry a studio when I did it. Because them, they sit there put them in here now. Because, what, you know?
True. Yeah.
Oh,
that Marsha?
You're good?
Yeah man.
Fine when me not see you.
There man. Look at my grandmother.
Oh, so she alright though?
Yeah man, he good man.
You know, say a long time I not see her, me, so she all ask me.
He asked you a couple of times.
Oh, me I go look for her, man.
Alright, me there.
So how your mommy?
Why you not going good?
That sounds strange too. But anyways, uncle, are you me come to you because I'm hungry?
I soon go about it, and I soon can now. Because if I not give one more money again, so I go on this morning. Yeah, what? Turn on the pot for me. Put some water in it. Right? I talk to my cousin and them, I can't deal with that. I'll cook some food.
Alright.
Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Put on the water. Yeah, man. Can run a boat.
Cousin, I ain't going it.
After this morning now, she tell me say she hungry. The cat does have 4 kittens. So I say, alright then. Buy the cat something out of that $1,000 and take the change, buy something for yourself, eat up. So she go buy one tin mackerel for the cat now. But up on the phone, I see she come in with the tin mackerel. All the fish she could take off, only one eye fish out of the tin mackerel, I get the post. And take some of my garments. I'm saying, I'm going to give $800 that for yourself. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So she said the $800. So me and I go look for $800. Gamble girl take all that money go gamble. I want to eat the post food.
Boy, cause you know, say I same similar situation. I come to talk to you about though, with mommy. Mommy now go on good at all. I get from bad to worse. I'm just a ton of stocky in a cash pot business. I normally buy cash pot, you know. I know in Ghana it's scratch off business, so you scratch off. And you must just a waste money. You must scratch off and you know with nothing at all. Evil bother me. All daddy gone. I'll come down with money in my bag from my grandmother. When I come back, she send me out money in her bag. She take the money and go scratch off. And I see him losing, now win. More than one you have to talk to her. She needs some help. Something like that.
You know, sir. Because she have some money for me from what day, you know. If a while ago, me and her talk on the phone, her cuss me off, you know. Well, miserable, you know. You understand? It get from bad to worse. I've got more check for her, man. More check for her and see if there's a place I can carry her go. Then talk to her. I think she need counseling because once she goes so far, the part which addiction in my teeth and you want and him and him. You know, saying like, but no, maybe you can't still. So, more try help. Because most of the things you have to understand, you know, in another country where they can come here, you know. And if you help really, you know, if you take a look around. I sight it up and help myself, you know what I mean? Because I have to try and make some investment. Investment to make I can live here so and not really fret so much. But still, I have to look out for you still because you're a family, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I know good for you at this age and now. See your mother go on certain way. It's not good for them for you mentally. You know what I mean? I talk to her and say because she have some money for me, make she keep that money there. I'm gonna try see it my best way I can help her. They must have a rehab, something like that. You know what I mean? Because addiction to gambling, when they're addicted, it's just like taking drugs. You know what I mean? I think I the same feeling, you know. So what I go do, I go try. If I have to go hold her and tie her up, I have to go at the place and I tell her I have to go. Because it don't look good. Pan the family, if I saw she a move. You understand? You hear some people mash up, come here, somebody liquor over there, you know. If she not tell you. Somebody liquor in the street. You know what I mean? I hear about it. She not say it to me, you know. But, don't worry yourself.
Alright, cuz thank you here.
Yeah, man.
All
Just continue putting the work, man. It's an artist you want done. Do the research. Do your homework. Alright?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to send a piece of food come give you. But I'm not going to bank for a morning. I'm going to send a piece of food come give you can help you out with it if you go to school and everything. Alright?
Thanks, yeah, man.
No sorry. Burn it down.
Hello?
Yes, good morning.
Morning. You can check them ticket here for me, please.
No problem.
I want play this morning.
15.
Oh. Me have 15 pound one of them, but I don't know if I right. Draw me by for. Me catch you with the 32, not you? Thanks, here. Me I want you print 2 number for me here.
Yeah, man.
Alright, give me let me see now. Give me let me see. Chinese man love dog. Give me 17. 50 by 50. And 31. 50 by 50. That's how much money? 200?
Yeah.
Alright. Sit here. Alright, thanks here. I hope me catch one of today, you know, because you see that man there. Yo, sir. Can't believe it, no man. This time, you know, because look how the man come play 11 and I tell me by it. Can't believe it.
You sure you know you're sir?
As book.
But how long it take? I want to go back on the road, you know, because all them there are peak hours, you know. So, how when I get back the car, sir? Hmm?
You can't get it this evening.
This evening want the car, you know?
You check me tomorrow, brother. Look on it. Look on it. Look on the car. You look it to next year, I just want to have a machine out, take out your machine, man.
What, man? From when me not see you on the road? I want him to your car.
You know, say somebody running that car back here. You know what I mean? If I try to get it sorted out.
Sight make you look so stressed out. See, man, I fix it there for you. Soon sort out.
Alright,
Yeah,
sure.
man. Me understand, you know. But don't worry yourself, here.
Yeah, man, go and do your thing.
Anyway. You see my son pass down the road?
Down the road, sir?
You ain't no one. You ain't one red shirt.
No. I don't see no boy pass, sir.
You know say him me I look for?
You me I look for?
Yeah, me I look for
Okay.
him.
Well, I hope you find your son, but at this I cannot deal now. This up on my brain right now for start out. You know what I mean?
Alright, if you see my son, just tell him say me look for him. You hear?
Alright.
Alright then.
You say you hurry.
Mm.
You hurry, you come work. You don't say I go want some real in rat bed after now get this sale tomorrow now. Trust me, if I go there, so want pick off and see me start picking off already and same thing. So I have to go look back when I go drag you out, hold on under there so I bumper can't mesh. So that's why I have to drag it off and same thing. So I go want the real in rat and same thing. See?
I'm going to call him and see what I'm going to do. I better make it. Yes, I left my phone, you know.
I don't say me no see some I say me I do nothing thing so one nigga well you know better so me no if I'm taking and going so me not tip now.
Who that?
Not tip now.
Well, yes, my phone there and you did it, so. I don't understand.
Them there just me look on the phone.
I tell you, star, yo, what kind of cross is this on my car? You know, my phone, how me I contact the people them now.
Yo, how are they pan?
So them also go check on my board them.
Like you hurry up away I run and go.
Nigga, me go check them also, man.
You know say I want one phone me have for me I want to get rid of it though.
How much I look for it?
You know say I want 10 grand would I take for it.
Let me see it now.
It value more than that still, you know, but would I take that? A good phone, man.
You look
I
clean,
latest
nah,
type
lie.
them.
How much you look for it?
I latest type them.
How much I look for it,
10 grand.
I will on upon it there. It's our word.
Alright.
I respect.
Alright.
Jay.
I go, Papa.
Yeah, it looks so stressed out.
Brother, you want to know, say me there, son. I try to start up my car, you know. And me happen that me lose all my phone. Me there, so my phone just miss up from me. I don't understand what I go on. And I wonder who could I really come here and take up the phone. Can I come here with the phone? And make a call earlier and put the phone up myself.
You know where yourself, man. You lose one phone, you have one of your seller. Right now. Look on it.
Look on here. This a phone here. Brother, you see them crack up on a phone here? Brother, my phone is saying.
Yes, I can't me buy it from, you know.
Yo, where you get that phone from?
Yes, I can't me buy it from you.
Candy?
Can't me buy it from.
Candy, you buy the phone
Candy
from?
buy it
Brother, you know, so Candy, come here and talk to me about one thing. And me, I said to myself, so, oh, she come talk to me like, say, me and she a friend. Me and she a friend like that, you know. And she come here and say, Steve, have the phone and move up. Me and the brother there, so right now, him have to go and source all the parts. Brother, me not, yo, my phone is saying, no.
So style candy style me then. 17 goods.
Brother, me thank you for the phone, because you take off one stress off of my head right now. So my advice to you, you go back and check Candy for your money, because style, she style you.
I know where I'm sorry about that, but I'm going to link Candy for money.
Yeah, man, link her, brother. See, respect her manners.
So Candy, I can a TV style you have up. If I say money, I come back for you now. If I sell my TV in the phone.
What you talk about?
The
Find a
phone you
thief
sell
in
me.
phone.
The phone you sell me thief in phone.
Me no thief no phone. My youth a find that.
Well, a thief, fine or whatever, more about money, you know, because they want to take you back from me, you know. So more money I go.
Me sorry about that, you know. But you see, if me scratch off them and win, me give you back your money. But if me no win none, just link me back next week, because me supposed to get the money from foreign.
Can't they make me have nothing, you know. Make sure me link you back next week and get my money, you know. That me I tell her.
No worry yourself. Me have that the money they forget, and if me no get it, when me buy next week and me scratch it off and me win, you get it.
Candy! Candy!
Come.
How much money me come for you now, you know?
Me know. But me not have it right now to give you.
What you mean you don't have it? Come on now, Candy, a weeks, man, you know? And me want the money for go hardware. Me tell us if you work for me place.
Amanda, you see the first money where you did lend me? Me take it by cash pot. And me lose. But you see when me come back and borrow 30,000 from you and you never give me vex whole time because you make me lose. And any you did give me, me would have win and give you back more than when me did borrow from you. But, Amanda, you, when me take for my friend, never give me. Girl, let me tell you something. You feel so you can't style me till you lend me your money? More that can give you back triple time what you give me. But right now you make me lose hundreds upon hundreds. You come go on and go on. And they go on like you're more than me say 60 grand a girl. You better come out of me yard and not say nothing to me. How you feel like?
One woman could have wicked, sir. Me always say about Lazarus, but mighty God me meet him today. You Candy. You people them hard working money when me man there in a sin who work for send come out every fix up the place and me lend you. Cause you tell me say your grandmother you go care go give. Me lose her for your Candy. But I know one day a monkey one wife and just because you know say me a good somebody all while you do it and take step. But I lost. Remember me tell you now I lost. I must catch you. But don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. Cause I know one day a monkey one wife. You.
Girl, move from your son, come out of me yard. How you feel like? Before your man bust and go foreign, and me used to borrow money from, I offer money buying plane ticket. That's you can't come lend me 60 grand. Go on this party, you feel that you lend me 60 grand afraid of you. How you feel like? I know that. Make your man fly down from foreign and come down and come beat me. And see if me not take him from you.
Okay.
Right. Come on to me yard.
Friend indeed.
You have no money, Pat? Yeah, man. How much you want? Eh? Alright, give me try this. Thanks.
$1,000 did you say? Yeah.
My son. Me buy the crutch off and me win 300,000. Me win! When me son there, me win! Me win 300,000. When me son there, I win! Win! 300,000. Them a chat about say me can't win every minute. Me a go buy this and buy that like a feed them money. Eh? Think they can't tap me?
Mommy.
What go on? How do I?
I smart me see I run from here so with something like a liquor.
No, some gambling shit and all own thing.
You have one mask, man, I see.
Okay, I go down like that. The doctor say it's just a simple concussion, right? But all you have to do is take your meds them and get some rest. As soon as a couple weeks after now, but one thing you stop though, stop the gambling. That's just me, my recommendation to you. So how far can you go to? Stop the gambling cause it mean the best to you, you know. See your son there. Your son feel hurt when he see you. Pan hurt. I go on so. Like you don't understand. So you can't win. You go scratch your life away with a new scratch yeah. Yeah, scratch. I still, you see you get the money as we get knocked out. You still not get the money. Find something constructive with your life, cousin. Alright?
Cause me hear what you say now. But I feel say me not hear what you say. Me hear man. Me go stop from gamble. And now go gamble again. You understand? But you see anytime I catch and none of the gambling place them where they scratch off herself, it's like my skin starts scratch me. Me can't do without buy it. At that game they run things now, you know, and I love it bad. But me I try to avoid it still, you know.
You lose your man, you lose your house and your land. And now because it's a new game here, you lose your man. What more you have to lose? Left the game alone. It's not for everybody. It's 1%. Make 1% play. You are 99. You're a loser in this game there. Left the game there. And play the game of reality. That's my message to you, you know.
Me hear what you say now. Me go do what you say, man. A true thing, me go stop gamble. Jono Star. Why? I understand. But anytime you see me a gamble again, anywhere you see me, anything where you want to do with me, I want to just do it. You understand? My son?
Yes, sorry.
I'm sorry for what I do. And because everything, you understand? This happened to me True because of me. I mean, I learned from the mistake that we made before. But me I'll stop from it. So don't worry yourself, here.
Just make sure you keep the promise.
Yeah man, me not gonna do it again. Me done with it.
Yes.
Yeah. I'll take my medication.
What must you say?
Happy birthday, uncle.
So you just come back from work?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm present there.
Nothing, Miss go get your present.
Differently from that. Me know why you guys go back me no look at something for my birthday, you know.
You know, say you don't like no foolishness.
Alright, so me not say must go out your way. But if you go up on the road and you find one nice, good, sexy, nice lady, carry back for your uncle.
No problem.
Because I not have luck with them. Okay, see me alone there for my birthday. Not to look at food I cook for me, not to look at this now, look at entertainment. I just chill out and take it one day at a time. But give thanks, me live to see the ages of I'm too old to die young. So me feel like, yeah, feel important. Feel like me I do something good to survive. God bless me, right?
So, uncle, remember, say you're still young, you know. You're an old man, you can't walk. So, you don't plan to go out and have some funds. You can't go road and find woman still in and carry woman thread them.
Anyway, me not go up on the road today. Today I'm earth strong, me I believe. You know what I mean? Most me I walk out the road and come back. You understand? Me not go up on the road.
Uncle, me don't know why, you know, but you always a lame out your birthday. You're never too fussy if you think you do nothing or have some fun or nothing. You're just always lame.
I'm not going to do it today, you know. I'm just going to chill out and enjoy myself. You cook today?
Mr. King. I don't understand. Mr. King is a delivery me affair, you know. Mr. Convenience. Me don't know. It's from... It's a birthday gift, sir.
Come on.
Today birthday, that's your birthday.
Where you come about?
It's your birthday, sir. It's a package me top off here, sir. The package.
Come on, you know me no how.
Coffee.
Come in.
Me not just know shut after even day or night or dark, you know.
You don't understand what man.
You read the country are running, you know. Every youth have them gun and you gun on your scripts on your head. You look like I scammer them. Like you know the bad people them. So you just give me this anything I have to give.
Wrong somebody. I am here. My name is Mr. Convenience.
You young guy, go feed.
Come.
But you should not come in, uncle, because you live your life.
Today, listen me. Today my birthday. Do what me say.
Me don't understand. I saw them moving. I was playing with them, man.
Yo, the time rough, sir. Man are dead for now, man are dead like fly, yeah.
No, Mr. King, man. Happy birthday, man. Happy birthday, sir. Them say happy birthday. And thing. The thing I'm supposed to have on penny, it drop off on the road, come and go buy one drink over a shop. So just make him know, say. But I'm sure it's a Mr. King place. Jamie Wood City. Mark on the place. Them say deliver it. Man, still the house.
I'm too old to die young.
My God. I saw the brother, sir.
Make sure no bomb in.
Bomb what? Yeah, man. Happy birthday, my boss.
Enough respect.
You know Mr. Card, though, my boss.
You see the young people nowadays,
Yeah.
them have too much pipeline.
They're big, man. All right, have a wonderful day here.
All right, thank you.
What a germ, man. All right. Oh, yeah.
You know what this here?
Let me see.
You're too fast.
So many your niece.
Post I want lady send her vagina picture look on it and you're blind. Under blame me. Go on off your wait for your time. Go on.
Anything if you can share, make it share for me.
Listen me. We never share birthday. But can my gift come give me? Get there and live. Take your time. Me there go and do my thing. If you go on the road and find a girl, you bring her come. Alright. Thank you, my niece. Boy, you not trust them boy they know. You know what they say now, John? Happy birthday. Only gift? I talk to myself like my man. What is that? Yeah, man. This, well, I know some of them, some love gambling, you know. Alright. Pamela! Niece! Pamela! Come on there.
See me, uncle.
You want know? No, some, this again from birthday. Don't stop on bed.
You know what I want,
Go
uncle?
about it, so. No, me not idiot. Me not the pan
You can't
street.
make millions, you know?
I talk too much, I know. I'm sending back out the door. You want know? I'm gonna get me scratch them off, because they must scratch it here. Alright, this one now, near money pot. Take your time, because I don't want to tell more go on. My niece, whoever buy that gift here, they don't give me money. And me a scratch on my nancy no big winnings. Yeah, $100. Alright, my niece, sit there. All tired out, tired, me tired now, from the earth strong here. Anybody send me this here, them is a wicked. Better don't give me money. Because you scratch and you hard, this you know, not where you get, because each one have a money pan is say value $200. So if you can't come, it's a value $100. And get all this, you know, come and fight, the most you get is $1,000. So that make no sense. Better don't give me money, because they buy so much of it, they loses. Anyway, go on, I will rest, I will rest you now.
Alright, uncle, me I go cook on now. You can't go and check them here.
Alright, go on, what do we have?
Yeah.
Alright.